Look, Somali MPs, guys, how they behaving. So sad and very disappointed, guys. Deeply shocked, and heartbroken to see, the behavior of Somali MPs, Somali lawmakers. Okay, these are so-called Somali MPs. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, and in case you are new here, my name is Fatah Abukar and this is my YouTube channel. Guys, chaos in Somali parliament. Okay, these are Somali MPs brawling, fighting each other, attacking each other. Okay, look at our country. People expect them to create laws, but see, look at our country, guys. Somalia is facing a disaster like never before. It's so sad. MPs clashing, and rallying their children. It's so sad, guys, to see this. Somalia is facing really a disaster like never before. This is a chaos going on in Somali parliament, as MPs clash over today. And it's so sad, guys. They're not professional MPs. Okay, they're not disciplined. They are political gangs. That's how it is. Okay, they don't know how to read or write, most of them. And they are illiterate. That's what we call lawmakers. Legislators. That's our parliament. That's the image. Okay, see what the image they are sending. They are sending a bad image to the world. Okay, when you look what Donald Trump was saying or labeling to our country, is somehow you believe it's like a true somehow, because I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sad to share with you. It's very painful, guys, but there's nothing I can do. Just I can't hide the truth, guys. That's the nature of Somali parliament. See how they talking each other, fighting each other, prowling, turning down upside down tables and chairs, smashing and really shutting down the windows and doors of the building, the whole of the parliament. Okay, we're expecting them to enact the laws, to create the laws, pass bills, and make sure to do checks and balances for the executive branch. That's what we were expecting them, because since they are our lawmakers. Okay, that was their mandate. But see, instead they are really causing chaos, destruction, panic among society. I'm so sad, guys. Sadly, because of them, Somalia is suffering. Somali people. Okay, because they are the ones who are causing problems. I'm so sad, guys. Guys, it's so sad. Please watch how they behave. They behave like a child, a 5-year-old, boy or girl. That's how they behave. Even, see, guys, even a 10-year-old boy or girl doesn't behave like this. How they behaving. Please watch. Share the video to all your friends, guys, social media platforms. Okay, and please don't forget to drop your comment. Okay. Let me know your thoughts about this video. How do you see Somali parliament, guys? This is how they behave. This is the nature of Somali parliament, and this is how really, whenever there's session, this is how they behave. They attack each other, fight each other, killing each other, shouting to each other, prowling, chaos, panic, really. So sad, guys. Look.